Now I will discuss the second case, that is the projection of the line. Projection of the line when it is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Okay, now what will be its pictorial view? I will show you. First the pictorial view I will show. So this is the vertical plane and this is the horizontal plane, HP. This is vertical plane. Now the line, it says it is perpendicular to VP. So line will be perpendicular to VP and it will be parallel to HP. So line will be somewhere. Okay, so it can be like this. So line is here, this line is parallel to HP, but this is perpendicular to VP. So line is say CD. So I am using the line as CD now, C and D. So this is the actual location of the line. Now this is the front, we have to see it from here, and this is the top. Okay, now here you can see in the top view you get this actual size, actual length of the line, true length, you can say it is the true length. And in the front view, while seeing from this side, so you can see only this D and C, it will be simply a dot or a point. Okay, when you project it here, it will be a C and D, C comma D. You get these 2 points. D will coincide with C. But when you see it from the top, you get to know, you get its true length, and it will be like this. Okay, so it will be C and D. So here it is C dash D dash, because it is front view, it will be dash. In the top view, it will be CD. Now when you rotate again, rules remains the same. Rotate HP clockwise 90 degrees. Rotate HP clockwise 90 degrees. Now what will happen? This will be like this. It will become flat. Both vertical plane and horizontal plane becomes, it will, they will be coplanar. Okay, then this is XY. So this line will be XY now between VP and HP. So this is vertical plane, this is horizontal plane. Now where will be this CD? CD will be somewhere here, top view. So this is top view. It is a line. Now one more thing I would like to add is, wherever you get the true length, you need to draw that view first. Okay, now CD is here in the top view, you need to draw top view first. Whereas in the previous case, AB was, this true length was in the front view, so you need to draw front view first. Okay, now here in the front view it will be simply a point. It will be a point. You can extend this with this projection line, and then front view is C and D will coincide, because while seeing from this side, C and D will coincide. Okay, so it will be simply a dot. This is front view and this is top view. Now how you can represent this on your sheet? Now I will draw it now. Again I will use this XY line. Always draw the XY line first. In the top view it will be a line. Okay, suppose this is, I will give you the statement afterwards. First I will draw. I'm just going the opposite way. You will be having the statement and then you will have to draw this views. Okay, so now this is say 40 mm long, and this is the front view, C dash and D dash, and this is C and D. Now you can see the difference, the line work here, you can see the difference. So this is the line, this is the projection of the line, this is the top view of the line, and this line joining this front view is continuous thin. Okay, so this is XY. Now I would like to add to this dimensions. Okay, so this is 10 mm. Now this length is 40 mm, line is 40 mm long. Okay, now I will just draw the dimension first, then I will give its statement, the statement of the line. Okay, so just drawing the dimensions. Now here you can see, now you have to draw the arrowheads. Yes, so this is say 20, I am here taking it as 20. As per the statement I have to take, now I will give you the statement as well. Okay. Okay, so this is the projection of the line when it is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Now the statement, a line CD, you can write down the statement, a line CD 40 mm long such that is perpendicular to vertical plane and parallel to horizontal plane such that its end C is, no, C is here, you can see 10 mm. So this is 10 mm in front, 10 mm in front. See, this 10 mm distance will come in front, that will be in the top view, whereas this above HP distance will be in the front view. So it is 10 mm in front of VP. It is 10 mm in front of VP and 20 mm above HP. Now you can see 20 mm above HP. So above HP distance is in the front view, 10 mm that is in front distance is in the top view. I hope you understood it. Thank you.